I'd like to thank the heroes of today's event, the Norner, to participate in this seminar, and would like to pay your attention at SIBUR activities and the challenges we faced for last 10 years and our future plans and our coming projects. So my presentation will be split into 3 parts. I give the brief picture and overview of SIBUR businesses today, then move to how we expect SIBUR will look to tomorrow, and for the obvious and inevitable part of SIBUR activities, this is our R&D projects. To give you a brief explanations of the business model of SIBUR, we are started with our feedstock and energy segment and explore the vertically integrated approach to build up our value chain segments. So we split the basic activities into 2 parts. The first one is feedstock, core energy business for us, and the next level, this is petrochemical segments, which we include not only the intermediates, organic synthesis products, but also the basic polymers, I mean polyethylene, polypropylene products, and also synthetic rubbers. And the key point for the SIBUR strategy is to be on safety side for this, for our feedstock availability, and to have the self-sufficiency in feedstock supply. So we have the long-term partnership cooperation with oil and gas companies who provide us with feedstock material, I mean associated petroleum gas and natural gas liquids that are coming to our processing plants, gas fractionation plants, and then gives the feedstock to our petrochemical units. And last year it was the first time when the total revenue from the feedstock businesses was less than the petrochemical business. So we are growing, and we are growing exactly in petrochemical segments. So we are intentionally moving from the model of feedstock supply to the value-added chain, to the higher molecules. Again, if we are looking at the map of SIBUR activities throughout Russia, again, due to the feedstock reasons, the core businesses is located in West Siberia region. And SIBUR operates and manages the longest chain network of NGL pipelines in Russia, and it's with the largest capacity of gas fractioning units in Tobolsk. So this is the heart of our businesses in West Siberia. If we're talking about basic polymers business unit, which I present, we are talking about 4 units with total capacity more than 1.2 million tons of polyolefins, and 3 of them are located again in Siberia, and 1 of it is located in Moscow. If we are looking at the volumes, we need to notify that these 2 plants were started only 4 years ago. So this is the latest technologies which are started up, and we operate with the largest world size capacities and the quite new one. The specific details I would like to share with you with our Tobolsk location. This is the largest PDH unit on that could assume that could consume all the propane coming from the gas fractionation unit, and then comes to the largest polypropylene capacity in Russia. So this project, which was started in 2013, was the first large-scale project and demonstrate our confidence with the creating value-added projects. In our key portfolio, we manage the broadest applications for our portfolio in polypropylene and also in low-density polyethylene. In collaboration with our clients, I mean, this list is not the full list, and we are interested and we are developing and investigation the potential new applications with our clients for our mutual growth and search for new applications for the new products. Last year, SIBUR introduced its own brand name for the polypropylene and polyethylene, and we take the responsibility for the product quality. We produce the services we provide to our clients and stable supplies to our long-term partners. So the SIBUR brand covers most of these applications in polypropylene currently. It should be noted that we couldn't explore and we couldn't develop most of these applications without any support of the R&D activities. And here I'd like to present my colleagues from our NIOST R&D center, which is located in Tomsk. This is also in West Siberia. And the NIOST center covers not only basic polymers units requirements to the materials development, but also the whole requirements for other SIBUR businesses, like gas processing plant, like development of the petrochemical synthesis, catalysts, plastics and compounds, and also testing of the additives for polyolefins and rubbers. So the very broad range of services. So next, move to the future. I'm pleased to announce you the coming project which is currently under construction, and as you could guess, it's also located in West Siberia and specifically in Tobolsk area. It's under construction and it will be started in 2020. It will take the top 5 list of the world's largest petrochemical projects in the world. And again, it will be the fully integrated complex of the our own feedstock supplied to the cracker unit and then polyolefins capacities. If we look at the structure of the project configuration, This is the cracker, mostly light feedstock cracker unit with 1.5 million capacity of ethylene and half of million tons of propylene, which goes to the 5 independent polymerization units. 4 of them are polyethylene and one is polypropylene. And for our Tobolsk plant, it means that we are currently operate the same capacity in Tobolsk, so it will mean that we double our polypropylene capacity and will add 1.5 million tons of polyethylene. So in terms of the total volume, the total capacities in Tobolsk will increase in 5 times. It's the big challenge for all of parts and business units within company, and we are preparing the future. And really, we started it more than a year ago, I would say. Here I'd like to share with you our targeting applications, which our capabilities and technologies could offer us. In terms of polyethylene, the 4 units, the 2 of them shown here, the first and the second. This is slurry technology, so the Innovin S license with capabilities of bimodal applications, of pipe applications, and the third and the fourth one are gas phase units. Each capacity of 400 kTA, which gives us the capability to produce linear low density polyethylene and high density polyethylene. These 4 independent units gives us exceptional advantage in flexibility between portfolio within the broad range of polyethylene applications. For sure, we will focus our preliminary approach is to focus each line on targeting applications to avoid any difficult transitions and improve the operation efficiency. In case of polypropylene, this is LyondellBasell's Ferripol technology, and as far as most of our portfolio is focused on homopolymer polypropylene, we are currently, thanks to Zapsib Neftekhim capabilities, we will focus mostly on impact and random copolymers. Here I just briefly give the pictures of the main applications like we divided to ourselves currently. For us, it means the different requirements from our clients for the depending on the processing technologies and depending on the final goods final use. So for blow molding, we split the small blow molding between food packaging and household, and the medium size and large blow molding for industrial and transportation packaging. For injection molding, the same approach with crates and containers, different types of houseware for food packaging, caps enclosures, absolutely certain types of material needs, and also the housewares and large size articles. For flexible packaging, we firstly are interested in expanding our portfolio. We are currently have the good footprint in low density polyethylene thanks to our Tomsk plant, and we expect to have the synergy effect with the full range of polyethylene we could offer with high density polyethylene, linear low density, and low density polyethylene for flexible packaging. Within the rest of the applications, the key point for us is pipe segment. This is the crucial, important application for us at local market and not only. For sure, one of our slurry PE unit will be focused mainly on black bimodal P100 black compound for drinking water and gas transportation. In case of polypropylene segments, we are focused on copolymers to expand our portfolio with random and impact copolymers. For the first step, we are looking at packaging, thin wall injection molding packaging, and films applications, and also it should be pay attention into the compounding business for the home appliances and automotive industry. For the pipes applications in PP, we are currently supply the random copolymer material, but only to local market. But again, with new capacity, we expect to expand our portfolio for the PP pipes applications material. Not to focus mainly on figures, but we are preliminary split the largest segments into the main applications and started to started our pre-marketing activities with our clients, our current clients, potential clients with their requirements to the materials, its properties, and its homologation period. So here I could share with you these tables, and if you like, we could discuss it in details. So obvious that we couldn't move forward without our R&D business evolution that will be forwarded before our capacities start. Here is the general direction for the last 10 years history, how we started the main R&D, core main R&D activities in polyolefins business, and how we expand our geographies and the locations which were united and combined at our R&D projects. I'd like to maybe stay on the 2014 date, just an example of the project of Additives Qualification Center, which was started 3 years ago, this project could provide us with a single methodology and procedure of the all additives which are coming to SIBUR for most of our basic polymers plants. This collaboration and this R&D projects also covers our Beexplain unit. Maybe some of you would like to ask. This is the main. This is our daughter company which produces BOPP films. This success with innovation in our and implemented in our industrial plant and benefits and advantages of the quality of the BOPP films we could expand for the further applications, areas of applications of Zapsib Neftichim products. This is I would like to share with you our ongoing projects in R&D. This is the strategy which is also moving not only for the analysis of the polymer properties itself, but to the advantages and to the adjusting the properties of the final product which our client produce from our pellets. It was the ongoing project established, which will start, we hope, next year. Polyolefins Applications Development Center, which will be located in Moscow. And we, at one side, we plan to combine main types of processing equipment at industrial scale to replicate the processing technology at our client side, and it could offer us to speak with our clients at the same language to understand what kind of properties do our pellet gives to their final articles, films, fiber, bottles, or pipes. And also, it should be noted the next step of our full range of R&D services we provide. This is Center for Polyolefins Synthesis. It looks very logical for us to move from the laboratory scale, not directly to the production plants and to industrial capacity, but to have the possibility to adjust and improve the process of the polymerization through this type of pilot plant, and to provide the test and trial runs at this center of polyolefin synthesis. So we could achieve the target properties before we implemented into production plant. It could reduce the number of the trials at the production lines and be on the safety side due to the industrial operations. So this is our actually dream to offer the full services of the R&D from the polymerization process up to the final articles properties design. So again, I'd like to thank you, the Norner, for the very exciting experience of collaboration with SIBUR. And here I selected the SIBUR, NIOST, and Norner project, which are already completed and which are on the way. As I mentioned before, 3 years ago, it was started the Additives Qualification Center in Tomsk, which could provide us with the single qualification procedure and methodics according to SIBUR requirements and elaborated at Norner recommendations. And the second big project, mainly marketing project, was connected with improving marketing skills and the details segmentation analysis through our polypropylene portfolio and better understanding the requirements of our clients to our product. And the project which is currently underway, this is the Application Development Center, which will start next year. We are targeting to the development of the new grades thanks to this center, to reduction and of duration of homologation and the faster penetrating to the markets and our clients' requirements. So thank you very much for your attention, and I'll be happy to answer your questions.